Hey guys, hello guys, Kevin here. Do you know why water is such a great solvent? Because it can dissolve in any substance that's polar. A polar substance is one that can unevenly share electrons between atoms. For example, if I pinch this salt, test tube number 1. Salt is also an ionic compound because between atoms they unevenly share electrons between each. However, oil on the other hand is nonpolar, substances that evenly share electrons between atoms. So if we pour a teaspoon of this oil, and pour it in here. Just give it time for a few minutes or to dissolve. And let's wait for just a couple minutes to see which one dissolves the fastest. Polar and nonpolar substances that are dissolved into one another are called hydrophobic. So the polar substances are unevenly sharing electrons between, while the nonpolar substances evenly share electrons between atoms. For example, while oxygen are the two hydrogen atoms in water are unevenly sharing electrons between each other. Oil, however, is evenly sharing electrons and is not meshing well with the water. Salt, on the other hand, dissolves perfectly with water. This is called hydrophilic. Both the water and ionic compounds in the salt don't evenly share electrons between atoms. Compared to this oil and water at room temperature, they don't mix. Hope you enjoy this video. Bye.